Let's talk about Java VisualVM. VisualVM is open source instrument that help you profile Java program. So here is link, here is zip, which we can download system. You can see systems, Java uh, version, what's new, release notes, first step, and it show us that. So we need unzip, uh, start by invoking file. So some problems and how to solve it. So let's download it. And here we can see IDE integration for Eclipse. Here is plugin. I tried, but it sometimes crashes. Intelligent idea work nice, but only professional edition. Community edition doesn't support VM launcher, Visual VM launcher. So okay, we downloaded it. Let's open it. This is a newer version. So let's unpack it to this C, and let's put it. So okay, this is new version. It should work. Let's try. So I accept. Okay. So it worked. Now, if we want to review some application, we can, if we want to review how it works, we need to run some Java application. For example, we can run Eclipse. So it appears inside our Visual VM, so we can connect to it and review this process. So it works. Okay. Hello. Okay, so we can see our Eclipse Pit process where it hosts main class arguments, JVM. This is our JVM Java version, Java home. Okay, JVM arguments. You can see all flags, system properties. You can see here. Next, this is overview. Let's review monitor. Here we can see our CPU usage and heap. This is heap size, max size, meta space. We can select which is. Here is threads where we can more detailed see our threads. So here is sampler. We can create sampler and profile.